The ultralight rod we'll be fishing with today is the budget-friendly LITTMA Wild Streams that I picked up on Amazon recently for about $45. The version I have here is the 6.6 two-piece ultralight with an action that I'd guess to be a medium or perhaps even a slow. It's definitely got a super soft recovery to it. While I wouldn't suggest using this rod for twitch fishing, it's a ton of fun for fishing swim baits, underspins, or hard baits where you're applying a steady, constant retrieval. Weighing in at a featherlight 3.1 ounces, the LITTMA Wild Streams is, in my opinion, very well made for an ultralight rod that costs less than $50. It features a beautiful split grip cork handle, stainless steel guides, and an overall finish that just looks and feels really nice. Another one. This LITTMA Wild Stream was made for bluegill fishing, that's for sure. At least this type of bluegill fishing. Alrighty, have a good day, Mr. Denton.